And in the Philippines, this is the first, and it's in Cebu.
Wow!
Yes. Well, what makes Hausbrandt unique? Hausbrandt has a lot of products we can offer. We do have, aside from coffee, we have tea, we have chocolate, white chocolate. Actually, Hausbrandt also have beer and wine, but we're not carrying it. Not yet, not yet. Of course, what also makes us Hausbrandt Philippines very interesting, because we collaborated Hausbrandt with Bialetti. Bialetti is actually the Moka pot. We call it caffettierra. It's a caffettierra, and we're not just using the ordinary caffettierra, but the inventor of caffettierra itself, Mr. Bialetti. Yeah. So actually, Hausbrandt Philippines, we're very unique. Unlike any other coffee shop, if you've noticed, they're using the standard or the traditional coffee machine or the espresso machine. We in Hausbrandt Philippines, we only use the caffettierra or the Bialetti Moka pot. And of course, we are here in Hausbrandt Philippines, we're bringing in the old Italian way of enjoying and preparing coffee. As I think the other night I was talking to our liaison officer of Hausbrandt and Bialetti, Mr. Ali. Ali had to tell me that even his grandmother, I believe, used to prepare coffee using the Bialetti caffettierra. So it's that very old tradition in Italy, and that's what we're bringing here in the Philippines. Of course, with a touch of Filipino hospitality. In our shop, we do have the indoor dining. We have the outdoor al fresco for guests who wish to smoke or to enjoy their coffee with fresh air. And we also have a conference room. It's good for 8 to 10 person. It's 2,500 for the first 2 hours, and 500 pesos every succeeding hour. And that's consumable. That's consumable. Hopefully, after Cebu, if God willing, we'll be expanding nationwide. Hopefully soon. So again, buongiorno and welcome to Hausbrandt. Grazie.